in this photo.
Whoa!
Oh!
We're looking stunning there, Meg. This is really awesome.
Right.
It's always really nice to use the location. So the rock is now going to be the seat of Megan. So she can pose, take some different poses while sitting on the rock. Well, she'll do it better than I'm doing now. Okay, this location is actually really nice, but I'm gonna have to check out what the other people are doing. I see a vagabond cap and a red bikini model there. Oh, always good to have some walking when you're taking photos. Wait for some natural poses. I just repeated the shot twice because sometimes it's actually good to do the movement 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Doesn't matter how many times you do it until you have the shot that you actually really like. So don't stop with the one-time walking in the location. Just repeat it. We have digital cameras now, so use it to your advantage. You gotta take care of the moles because here it's sand, but here we got some rocks, so that's quite annoying to walk with the bare feet. This is gonna be better.
Thank you.
Ooh, Alessia and Dario, I'll follow you guys.
Oh, we don't know what we're gonna do yet.
That's sometimes the best plan.
That's why we go freestyle. I'm pretty sure they're there to not go past.
Yeah.
Oh, rules are meant to be broken, right? Especially with this crew, maybe.
Looks like an obstacle course. Okay, bam.
Oh, maybe we found a little hidden cenote there all to ourselves, which maybe is dangerous. Oh, bye guys. There's a dark hole there. I don't know what's behind that. And since there were ropes here, maybe that's the reason why the ropes were here. But as you maybe already saw, sometimes, you know, going to the place that the others aren't going gives you the best results.
It's actually a very good spot with how the light is falling. I like it when your face is looking a little bit outside, because the light is super soft. Look, I will show you. Oh yeah, no, it's gotta be good, right?
Yeah, if you're ever shooting in the middle of the day, for example, which we are doing right now, as you can see, the sun is very high. Just find some nice shaded areas, like the one here. Oh man, the light's even amazing on me here. But especially on the models, it looks great. Even on Dario,
I
it's looking
know.
majestic.
We are models.
The location is falling apart. That's maybe why the rope was there. So they found this hole here. It's a little difficult to take a photo in, but sometimes interesting to try, because then you get a different result if it works out. It's really a funny hole.
Maybe I kind of want to shoot one from up also. Like you're stuck in this place.
Maybe it's not the best idea. I don't know where that fell from. But
To be honest, I don't think the shot is worth it.
sometimes indeed a shot is not worth it. Sometimes it's worth it to risk it, but we still have 2 more days to shoot, so... Combining all the elements makes for a great photo. So 1, we get the location. 2, using the location, you know, the high rock here to put the model on it. Then the model is wearing the red, which makes her really pop in the location. And then the backlight, that just makes for great lighting. The model has even lighting on her skin, on her face and everything. Then a nice warm glow from the back. But this is not a bad selfie spot, I would say. You're probably trying to get the light just to fall in your eyes, I guess. Yeah, Clay, this is gonna look amazing, I think.
Good, right?
For sure the red was the way to go here.
It looks really good with the green, the background.
100%. You see the light is somewhere there. Oh, peeking at from behind that tree. We're gonna shoot a little bit backlit. All the girls are wearing red bikinis because that is gonna pop nicely in the environment. And Lina is wearing a red bandana to pop in the environment. Oh, got that flare on you. Yeah. Key to group shots is watch every girl, you know, because sometimes one of them is doing a strange pose or still talking maybe while the other one's already in place. That's why Juan is taking photo by photo and then every time looking if every model is still in the right place to get a nice coherent shot. Yes. And he's getting dirty for the shot right now, which is also sometimes important. Yes. Clay's gonna shoot some slow-mo stuff of the models as well, because I think it's gonna look amazing with that rig that he had set up. Clay, I'll leave you 1 second alone. This thing just grew. What you got there? You got your phone as a monitor? Or?
Yeah, it's a free app that you could use.
Clay, you wanna switch cameras? Kinda like the setup more. Wireless Monitor Pro Plus. All the bells and whistles. So this is behind the scenes. Meg being her own videographer. It's actually pretty cool.
When organizing these events, it's easy to sometimes forget to have a little bit of fun ourselves. That's why I try to always, when I'm in a beautiful, magical cenote place, at least have a little dip myself. See, magical cenote water. There's nothing quite like it.
This is, by the way, what they call a power couple. Nina taking the photos, Clay getting those behind the scenes shots. I don't know if you see the little fish, but apparently they're having a meal here with Olga.
Yeah, they eat in my skin if I don't move.
Now that the people are completely gone from the cenote, we can have some privacy for some more nude shots here. They just checked the photos and they were amazing, but some of them were not like super sharp. So they're gonna give it another go to get the perfect shot. This looks indeed pretty chill with the dragon and the fire.
I'm gonna cover my titties for Jonah.
Look this photo.
Whoa!
Oh wait, can I show this?
And look the last.
I'm gonna overlay it here, the photo, guys. But whoo, the flare.
That's insane.
Yes.
Wow.
Alessia has this beautiful pink hair here, a
Yes.
beautiful pink brush, and well, Dario has very beautiful hair in 5 minutes probably.
Yeah, hopefully.
I think it's actually one of my favorite things to do, find a little secret spot and then bring some other people to it and then watch how they enjoy it.
This is a really dope find.
She said we gotta go behind the ropes quick.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta jump through the fence and see what's behind.
Oh, beautiful. Sorry.
Always curious to see myself.
Yeah. Woo.
We drove back from the cenote to the villa to grab a shot here. As you can probably see, the light is just going down behind me. We're gonna grab a shot with the entire group. One is cleaning up the space. This is how Alessia needs to get in her position for the shot.